Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you just observe this lab is little bit complicated, but I found a very unique solution to complete this lab. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, just give one thumbs up so that other people can watch it. So first of all, just log in with your credentials of Looker, and your Looker dashboard must look like this. Now please pay attention because this is a very important task. Just enable this development mode. It will take a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, in description box I will share all this command link, so just open that GitHub repo. Okay, now what you have to do, first of all, just click on this develop, then click on this Qwiklabs flights. Wait for a second, it's loading the data. And now click on the general, and then click on the flights, and then click on this FAA.model. Click on here. Now what you have to do, just simply come over here, copy this command, copy this, go back to bottom. At last, just hit enter couple of times, just give extra space for you like this. Now let me just zoom in for you. Okay, now just paste that command which you copy from the notepad. Just copy this thing, task number 1, click on save, wait for a second, click on validate lookml, and it's done in a couple of seconds. Okay, it's done. Now click on commit, as we are doing the task number 1, so I'm just giving task 1. Okay, click on commit. Now click on the deploy to production, and that's the thing you have to do on every task. Okay, now just what you have to do, open this thing in new tab. Just follow this way because we have to repeat the same process again and again. Now click on this explore, then in FAA click on flights, wait for a second, and now click on start from here. Now here you can see just cross verify 2003, and if you just check, it's 2003. That's when we are on the task number 1. Now what you have to do over here, in every task we have to just do a little bit changes, so just make sure that we are getting this kind of output as they want. So first of all, what they are asking, we need the line output, but what we have a table outputs. Just simply check for the line, but it's not similar. As you can see, it's not similar. So if you just simply scroll up, and from the point number 8, you can see point number 8, we have to add a pivot data. So for that, just copy this name, in search bar, just simply search over here. Just make sure there is no extra space. Now here you can see, let me just zoom in over here. If you just hover over here, you can see this symbol. Just simply click over here, so it's done. Okay, click over here, make sure you have choose the line, and just simply click on run. Wait for a second. And it's done, but it's not accurate as they want in the screenshot. So for that, what you have to do, click on this edit option, scroll down to bottom, and you can see legend align. From here, just simply choose the left. All the things are done. Just simply click on gear icon, save as a look. I hope you got my point. What I have done, just copy the name. Make sure you do not copy that full stop, so just make sure of that thing. Copy the name, paste over here, and simply click on save. Once this thing is saved, it's done. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. If you didn't get a score, please watch the task again, you won't face any issue for sure. Now for the task number 2, first of all, just close this tab. Now just go back to lab instruction, or you can say notepad. Now copy this document of task number 2. Okay, just copy this command. Now replace this command with the previous one. Sorry for this. Now just replace over here like this. Okay, done. Now again click on save, validate, and it's done. Now click on commit. Now it's a task number 2, so just type task 2, click on commit, and it's done. And now click on deploy to production. and it's done. Now open this thing in new tab, looker in new tab. Okay, click on explore, then click on flights. Wait for a second, click on start from here and just check. Now it's 2000. If you just check, it means we are in the task number 2. Now what we have to do, just go back to lab instructions. No need to make any changes, we have to just choose the line as option. So if you just simply choose the line, you will get the output as they want. So just copy the name, do not copy that full stop. Again I'm saying just copy the name. We have choose the line as the output. Click on here, save as a loop, and paste the name for the task number 2, and it's done. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. If you didn't, just watch the video for task number 2, you won't face any issue. Now for the task number 3, again copy this command, close this tab. Now again scroll down and just delete this, paste the task number 3, click on save, task number 3 command, validate, and it's done. Click on commit. It's a task number 3, so I'm just typing task number 3. Click on commit, click on deploy to production. It's done. Now open the looker in new tab. Again click on explore, then click on flights, and done. Click on here and just wait, and you can see 2004. That's when we are on the task number 4. Now if we just go back to the task number 3, just come over here, and here you can see this is a formula. So we have to use this formula. So just copy this formula, click on this plus, or you can say add, click on this table calculation and paste the formula. Did we got any kind of error? No. So we can just move ahead. From here just simply choose percentage and click on save. So we have done with this thing. No need to make any other changes, just simply copy this name, make sure there is no full stop. Okay, now come over here, save as a loop, paste the name and click on save. It's done. Now just simply scroll down and click on check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. If you didn't, just watch the video for task number 3 once again. Now for the task number 4, again just go back over here. Please watch this task carefully. Okay, copy this command, close this tab again, just replace this command with the task number 4 command, remove this, paste the task number 4 command, click on save, click on validate, and it's done. Now click on commit, and it's task number 4, so just type task 4, click on commit. It's checking, and click on deploy to production, and it's done. Now open the looker in new tab again do the same process. Click on explore, then click on FAF and flight. Wait for a second. Now click over here. Now if you just go back to the lab instruction, just observe, you can see this formula. So that's mean we have to use the formula. Now please watch over here. Copy this formula, click on this plus icon, table calculation, and paste the formula. Here you can see we are getting the output. Now how to solve this output? Click on cancel, and here you can see this checkbox just beside the total. Just click on this checkbox. Now again click on the add table calculation and paste. The reason why I do this, because I know most of you guys miss that pass to click on that checkbox. That's the reason I do this thing. Now from here just simply choose the percentage as we done in previous task also, and just simply click on text, save. So it's done. Now if you just simply scroll over here, they want output in bar, but what we have choose? We have choose the column. So what we are going to choose? Bar. Done. Just simply click on this gear icon, save as a loop, and click on that. Now just copy the name, make sure you do not copy that full stop, just copy this, paste over here, and click on save, and save. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. If you didn't, just watch the task number 4 again. Now task number 5 is little bit tricky, so please watch this carefully. Again do the same thing, copy the command, close this tab, Again replace this command, like this. Okay, click on save, validate, it's done. Click on commit, and task number 5, click on commit, click on deploy to production, and it's done. Now open this thing in again, new tab, explore and flights. Now please pay attention. Now just go back to lab instruction, check the task number 5. Here is a command, so just copy this command, go back to here and click on okay. First of all, what we have to do, we have to click on this start from here, click over here. Okay, now click on this plus icon, then click on this table calculation and paste the command, or you can say formula. Here we didn't get a error, so we don't have to click on that checkbox. I hope you got. Now in the format, just choose a percentage and it's done. Okay, now if you just scroll down, you can see they want the format in table, but what we have choose, we have choose a column. So what we are going to choose, we are going to choose table. Just wait. But this format is not like that which they want. So if we just simply scroll up, and from the point number 5, you can see this point number 5, we have to add the pivot data. So for that, just check flights, then depart date. So you can see flights, just click over here and just you can see depart date, click over here, and for what we have to use, for year. So if we just come over here, let me just zoom in for you. Here, click on this pivot option like this. So it's done. Now if we just simply click on run, make sure once you click on this pivot option, you have to click on the run option because it changed the format. And we got output, but still the output is not same. The reason is behind that. If you just come over here, on from the point number 20, we have to enable something. Okay, so what you have to do, click on this edit option, then click on this formatting, scroll down and enable conditional formatting like this. And now click on this add a rule, just click on here. Okay, so it's done. Now just go back over here, copy this thing, copy this name, click over here. I know this task is little bit tricky, but I try to explain as simple way as possible, and click on save. It's done. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. I hope if you face any issue, please watch the task number 5 again. I hope you guys like the video. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.